Yes, hello, good evening. Welcome to Global Watch Media. Please tell a friend, tell a friend, now we again. Listen, to the person named Carl, who's saying that, who made the comment underneath my video, who's saying that what I'm suggesting is too impossible because I made a video yesterday or day before yesterday stating that I had a solution for Jamaica. You know me, I say everybody should come together and share them ideas and everybody shop together. You know me, I say, and them send the container shipment them will come in a the plane them, you know, to the parish them where get devastated and have somebody from that parish, you know me I say, which is the MP or, you know, somebody who works for the MP them for that parish. You know me I say it could be JLP or PMP. You know me I say? And when you can also send a container to the JLP section and one to the PMP section. You see me? That way it won't be a confusion. You know me I say our animosity against each other. You see me? That's a good solution right there. I'm not saying you don't have to follow me, you know, but I'm just giving a solution to, you know, deviate all the problems that you're having and the issues that you're having. You see me? So you could have just send the shipment them straight to the parish and let the parish PM or councillors deal with handing out the packages them. Them know who come from the area and who live in the parishes. That will defeat the purpose of people leaving from Kingston or wherever them leaving from to go to those parishes and take from the people them that's well in need. All right? And it is not impossible to be done because over 300 plane load a cargo come to Jamaica for relief, food and clothes. So them can at least send 20 cargo load to each parishes, which would be 280 planes cargo for each parish. And I'm just saying, because them say only five parish devastated the most. You know what I say? Them can send 20 cargo to each parish, and them still gonna have 20 cargo leave where the government can take for themselves and share up. It's simple mathematics. But no, you know what I say? If that's not a good solution, I don't know what is. That's all I'm saying. You see me? Just to deviate the confusion and all of the animosity. You know what I say? And the people that are going to go through all of the problem, that's a great solution. If somebody else have a better solution, I would like to hear it. Please. You know what I say? I want Jamaica. Global Watch Media. Please tell a friend to tell a friend. Now we again. Boom, boom, boom.